Hello there, today I'm gonna show you tools called trim and extend in Autocad. For example, we have these three lines and we want to cut them in the same place. So we just draw a line across the lines, then press keys TR, press enter, and then select the operator that will cut other lines, press space, just select the lines that we want to cut. Also, it can be used in different way, like we can press, again, let's create a line, type TR, then without selecting the operator we just press space, and now it will cut all the intersections that will come out, and it can be worked like that. And the other thing, for example, we want not to cut the lines but extend them. For that we have the tool extend. You type down EX, press enter, then select the operator that we want lines to get extended to, press space, and just select the lines that we want to be extended. That's all. That's how works trim and extend tools.